Windfall, wonderful audience, we run me when this is James, Shiseido Men. I guess that's all that means is foam. I thought mousse was like something awesome. After day 3, I knew it was for me, y'all. That's just all I'm gonna say. Shiseido, but either way, from Ginza, that's pretty much it. It's a foam. It is the cool thing about it is that you only have to use very, very little, and it actually covers your entire face. So I mean, this is very, 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 very good. And I'll just have to say, that's just a wrap. This is awesome. All guys should get this Shiseido. Y'all need to make body wash. But no, this is simply perfect. It's very good, and I knew literally on day 3 it was for me. And I mean, this is one of those things that you can use and you can immediately tell that it's working. But day 3, I knew it was for me. So that's it, y'all. Get it. And so it's a good addition to this right here, the hydrating lotion. So live, move, be.